to Nacho TV. Today we're going to demonstrate the use of the Leatherman Raptor and its functional seatbelt cutting device blade. First time using this, let's see. Wow. Couple of hits and there it cuts. Now if we were to use the shears, let's see how fast the shears would help. Just as good as well. But in an emergency situation, you might want to use the seat belt cutting mechanism. Just like that, really quick. Just like butter. Alright, so that's the Leatherman Raptor seatbelt cutter in action.